Good morning. We are from Divan High School, Bokajan, Karbi Anglong, Assam. In our community, we noticed a serious problem: plastic waste everywhere. People throw plastic bottles, bags, and wrappers on roads and drains. This not only makes our surroundings dirty but also harms animals and blocks water flow, creating health and environmental issues. To solve this, our team decided to collect the waste plastic from our homes, schools, and nearby areas and turn it into useful products instead of throwing it away. We made things like flower vase, bouquet, brooms, diya stand, and wall hanging using waste materials like plastic bottles, plastic carry bags, waste cartoon, etc. Through this project, we learned how small actions can make a big difference. We refused plastic that would otherwise pollute our area. It also helped us understand the value of creativity, teamwork, and responsibility towards the environment. We are also planning to create awareness among people about reducing plastic use and recycling what they have. If everyone starts reusing plastic waste, our neighborhood will become cleaner, greener, and safer. So our message is simple: don't waste plastic, recreate magic. Thank you. So I'm gonna show you the items we have made from waste. This is broom, and this is table decorative items. This is flower vase, and this one is diya stand, and this is flower vase, and that one is bouquet that you can give someone. And this is made from plastic waste cartoons, and this is plastic bottle caps. It is made from waste. So thank you.